Hi guys, good to see you again. Have you ever been to Turkey? Well, if you did, then I hope you did taste their amazing pide. And if you didn't, then you are lucky, because today I'm going to show you how you can bake your own Turkish pide filled with lamb and tomato sauce. Enjoy the video and please let me know what you think about my recipe. Let's start with our dough. Put your water, sugar and yeast into a mixing bowl. Then use a whisk and mix well. Now add your flour and salt to the mixture. We will wait with the oil, because water and oil are no friends. Adding it right now will prevent the flour to absorb all the water. Now start mixing slow until everything is well mixed. This will take around 3 to 4 minutes. So when your dough looks like this, it's ready to start mixing fast. And now it's time to add your oil. Your dough might start to look a little messy now, but don't worry, it will recover. Just keep mixing until your dough looks smooth and extensible. This will take around 6 minutes. Now take a bowl like mine and grease it with some oil. Shape your dough round, cover it and let it rest for 1 hour. While the dough is resting for 1 hour, we have the time to prepare our lamb filling. Take a pan like mine, heat it and put your oil in it. Now add your garlic and onion to it and bake for a few minutes. And after a few minutes you can add your minced lamb. We are going to season the lamb with cumin, cinnamon, smoked paprika powder and cayenne pepper. Mix everything together and let it cook until your lamb is well done. And now we will add our last ingredient, tomato sauce. And when everything is well mixed, you can turn off your heat and let it cool down. Now it's time to check our dough. After 1 hour your dough should be double in size. Now you can deflate it. Divide your dough into 2 pieces. And shape them round again. Cover them again and let them rest for 30 minutes. The dough is now ready to make a pide. Put your lamb mixture onto the dough, but leave some space at the edges. Your Turkish pide is now ready to bake. I like to bake my pide on a stone, but you can easily bake them on a baking tray as well. Thank you for watching my video. Please let me know what you think about my recipe. Share it with your friends, family, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.